आदिशक्ति माता जी निर्मला देवी की
जय।
विश्व निर्मला धर्मों की
जय।
जय श्री माता जी।
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Prithvi. Today I am going to teach how to take Bandhan. Uppi, uppy, uppy. Mother Kundalini 1. Uppy, uppy, uppy. Mother Kundalini 2. Uppy, uppy, uppy. Mother Kundalini 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 for my innocence. 2 for creativity. 3 for my inner peace. 4 for my security. 5 for my speech. 6 for no thoughts. 7 for everything. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, my name is Anirudh. I am a part of Bahrain Collective. I am here to perform few lines of a bhajan. Dum 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 rubajaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Yug yug soya jeeb jagaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Dum 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 rubajaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Yug yug soya jeeb jagaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Bolo Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Bolo Om Namah Shivaya Dum 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 rubajaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Yug yug soya jeev jagaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Dum 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 rubajaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati Yug yug soya jeev jagaye Shiv Shankar Kailashpati. Shri Mataji, thank you for your guidance and protection. Jai Shri Mataji.
Shri Mataji. My name is Pranay. Today I am going to be talking about the Sahasrara Day and my experiences of meditation. So this year is the 50th year of the Sahasrara Day. The Sahasrara Day is the day when Mother awoken the primordial Sahasrara on 5th May 1970 in Nargol. So the experience about my meditation, it mostly helped me only for my exams and studies, and it even helped me to overcome my fears, and I won second place in my badminton tournament because of meditation. And how to do meditation, you have to just open your hands in front of Mother, and then you have to just feel the cool breeze coming in your hands. Thank you.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Shreya. I have been practicing Sahaja Yoga for 3 years. When I start speaking about Sahaja Yoga, there's a lot to see. Sahaja Yoga has a great impact on my life. I personally feel that Sahaja Yoga is a unique yoga in which we can grow within us. I am very thankful to Shri Mataji for her love, protection and her guidance which showered on me. I am very proud. I am very happy to be a part of Sahaja Yoga. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Ambarish. I am a part of the Bahrain Collective. I am going to offer a few lines of a bhajan at the lotus feet of Shri Mataji. Adi Guru Janak Laot se Adi Guru Janak Laot se Socrates Sai Nirmal Mai Nanak Muhammad Ibrahim Nanak Muhammad Ibrahim Nanak Muhammad Ibrahim Mujassar Dushta Confucius Adi Guru Janak Lao Tse Adi Guru Janak Lao Tse Adi Guru Janak Lao Tse Socrates Sai Nirmal Mai Nanak Muhammad Ibrahim Nanak Muhammad Ibrahim Nanak नानक। भवसागर में कुंडलनी मादि गुरु बने गंभीरा। भवसागर में कुंडलनी मादि गुरु बने गंभीरा। भव पार करे बोध दिलाए, भव पार करे बोध दिलाए, गुरुपद दायिनी निर्मल माई नानक। मोहम्मद इब्राहिम नानक, मोहम्मद इब्राहिम नानक, मोहम्मद इब्राहिम मुजस्सार दुष्ट कन्फ्यूशियस। आदि गुरु जनक लाओचे, आदि गुरु जनक लाओचे, आदि गुरु जनक लाओचे, साक्रेटिस साई निर्मल माई नानक। मोहम्मद इब्राहिम नानक, मोहम्मद इब्राहिम नानक। जय श्री माता जी।
Jai Shri Mataji. I am Nikhil and I have been in Sahaja Yoga for 6 years and I have felt the essence of Shakti within me which has been awakened by Shri Mataji's divine grace. Thank you Shri Mataji for giving me my realization and thank you for making me a member of Sahaja family. Jai Shri Mataji. Salutations to the Queen of Sahasrara. Salutations to the Queen of the 7 Peaks. On the great day, O Mother, we weave the universe at your lotus feet. We see the blossom of care and affection. Who can be the fragrance so sweet and sound? Who can be its radiance of the heart tree sound? It's you, it's you, it's you, Mother, always forever. Who can be the beginning of this creation? Who can be its deepest inspiration? It's you, it's you, it's you, Mother, always forever. Who can be the purity of words and meaning? Who is the compassionable, ever redeeming? It's you, it's you, it's you, Mother, always forever. Jai Shri Mataji.
Shri Mataji, I am Shri Lakshmi. I'd like to offer this dance at Shri Mataji's lotus feet as a humble dedication.
Jai Shri Mataji. I am Mahalakshmi Ananya from Bahrain Sahaj Yoga Collective and I will be offering a bhajan at Shri Mataji's Holy Lotus feet. Arpan तन मन श्री माँ तेरे चरणन अर्पण ये तन मन श्री माँ तेरे चरणन जन्म दिन ये तेरा करे तेरा अर्जन जन्म दिन ये तेरा करे तेरा अर्जन अर्पण ये तन मन श्री माँ तेरे चरणन अहो भाग्य सबका पधारे स्वयं माँ अहो भाग्य सबका पधारे स्वयं माँ अहो भाग्य सबका पधारे स्वयं माँ त्रिलोक की स्वामिनी ममता की प्रतिमा त्रिलोक की स्वामिनी ममता की प्रतिमा आँखों में करुणा क्षमा दिल में भर कर आँखों में करुणा क्षमा दिल में भर कर प्रगटा है ये निर्गुण सगुण रूप लेकर अर्पण ये तन मन श्री माँ तेरे चरणन अर्पण ये तन मन श्री माँ तेरे चरणन.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Suraksha Prakash. I am from the Bharyan Collective. I've been here since my childhood. I did my Bharatanatyam Arangejam 2 years ago and it went out successfully thanks to Shri Mataji's grace. And I'm going to present a short Bharatanatyam dance offering to Shri Mataji.
My name is Neha. I am practicing Sahaj Yoga since 3.5 years. Sahaj Yoga had brought a lot of changes in my life. Before coming to Sahaj Yoga, I could not concentrate in my studies as I do it now. I thank Mataji for all the changes that she brought in my life. Yes, Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji, my name is Jayan, son of Mr. Swami from Bharyan Collective. I got realization when I was 10 years old and I have been doing meditation since then. When we say yoga to someone, what they really mean is that just stretching and stuff related to it. But Sahaj Yoga is completely different. What it means is that it is the inner peace within us and the inner silence within ourselves. When we surrender ourselves at Shri Mataji's lotus feet, many miracles happen. And one such miracle which happened was when me and my family first visited Qatar in 2009, and we were supposed to return to India within a couple of days, just because our visa was about to expire. And in the last day when we were supposed to return, we got a family visa within a few hours, which would usually take around 6 months to get it. And from then I was completely devoted to Shri Mataji and Sahaj Yoga. It was such a blessing to be part of the Sahaj Yoga family. Thank you so much, Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji.
My name is Saurav and I have been in Sahaja Yoga since 4 months of my age. I'm thankful to Shri Mataji for giving me my realization and also grateful to Shri Mataji for letting me perform this bhajan at her holy lotus feet. Shambho Shankara Karunakara Jaga Jagava Samba Sada Shiva Tripurari Shambho Hridaya Nivasi Sakshi Swarupi Shambho Samba Sada Shiva Tripurari Shambho Hridaya Nivasi Sakshi Swarupi Shambho Shambho Shankara Karunakara Jaga Jagava Shambho Ajnanane Lopava Yava Prakashi Sada Ajnanane Lopava Yava Prakashi Sada Chara Chara Bhujaraya Chaitanya Chitota Chetava He Shiva He Shiva He Shiva Shambho Shankara Karunakara Jaga Jagava Shambho 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 Jai Shri Mataji.
Hi, this is Ranjini. Jai Shri Mataji. I've been doing meditation since I was a kid and I find that it's really peaceful to do after a long day of work. I'm gonna sing one paragraph of Jaya Ambe, so enjoy. Jaya Ambe Kundalini Ma Jaya Ambe Kundalini Ma सुन ले गणेश पुकार सुन ले गणेश पुकार पतित उदाहरण शक्ति तिहारी पतित उदाहरण शक्ति तिहारी होंगे हम सब पार जय अम्बे कुंडलिनी मां
Jai Shri Mataji. I am Sanjana. Over the few years, I have realized that everything I have, everything I feel, and everything in this world is given to me by Shri Mataji. But my words are not enough to describe the gratitude that I feel towards her. So, here is my small tribute that I would like to dedicate to our mother, Shri Mataji. You are in me and I in you. Everything I view, all I see is you. Everything I feel, it's you who makes it real. I wake up to warmth of ever-glowing sunlight that emits from your eyes in gold-plated delight. I go out for a walk and feel the early mist that settles on my skin like my cheek you have kissed. My eye catches the river, diamond-studded steps, and I'm reminded of your sari that hides me in its depths. When the sky rejoices, opening up to rain, I feel like I'm drenched in your reflection, taking away my pain. I see the moon at night, where it has been and not been, and I'm reminded of you yet again, present even when not seen. You are in our hearts, as from you we stem. We have only one part, acceptance and recognition. Once we have done that, we can witness the magic taking place, for within us you rise and lead us to your divine place. And from there we can see all and laugh in glee at the humor. For everything we view, all we see is you. And everything we feel, it's you who makes it real. Jai Shri Mataji.
Today I'd like to share my experience with all of you. So before Sahaj Yoga, I was very impulsive and used to react to everything and anything which used to happen in my life. And I used to be like all the time angry and every time like shouting at my friends, my parents, and like I used to have so many problems and I didn't have anything, like I didn't know how to deal with them. But after I joined the Sahaj Yoga, I got my realization. I started doing foot soak. I started meditating almost regularly, which helped me a lot with all the things which had happened in my life. And like I became so calm and peaceful, and like I started like feeling this inner peace which was not there before. And I think it's important for everyone to get the realization, and it completes you as a person, and you feel different after meditating, and you feel these vibrations in you. I used to feel these vibrations in my hand and in my all around my body, which I never knew and which existed and which I never felt before. And it was a different experience. It was a fun experience, and I want everyone to try this. And it's a very helpful way to deal with your problems. Just be like, Mother, I'm giving all my problems to you, and I want you to solve them, and that's it. Thank you.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Vinayak, and I wish to share an experience of my life in Sahaj. If I remember correctly, I had started doing Sahaj when I was in my second standard. However, during those times, I was not able to feel the depth which was supposedly meant to be felt. Partly because I was of a playful nature and I never used to take my meditation seriously. However, things started to take a turn when I started my 9th standard. Well, you see, 9th standard was a very rough period in my life. I had to face a lot of pressures, depression, which any normal teenager in that timeline was likely to face. As a result of which, I started underperforming in my academics, and I even started to become a very socially introvert person. That's when I realized certain things were not going right with me, certain imbalances existed within me. And now I understood that it was high time that I had to restore back the balance which was meant to be within me. After taking my mother's advice, I began doing my meditation even seriously, accompanied by such treatments such as candle treatment, shoe beating, foot soak, and so on. After a while, I started to feel so much better. In fact, 3 or 4 months later, when I began my 10th grade. You see, now 10th grade is a time when most of us have to think about how good are we going to perform for our board exams, what should be the best study plan we have to adopt to achieve this objective, and so on. But I didn't have to think of these things. It was because I was under mother's protection. She was taking care of all these things for me, and she was relieving me of the day-to-day stress which any student would have undergone if they were not practicing such easier methods like Sahaj Yoga. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sri Mataji, without whose presence I wouldn't be speaking so confidently in front of all of you. Thank you, and Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji, everyone. Hope everyone is safe with their families because of everything going on. Now today I'd like to speak about my experience with Sahaj Yoga. Oh, I have to say it's been wonderful to start with. So I started my journey around 2.5 years ago, and as a teenager, with everything going on around, it's really hard to focus on one thing. And what has Sahaj Yoga taught me till now is to focus on a single thing at a point of time with everything going on. So when I started Sahaj Yoga, when I started meditation, I thought it was just, not getting to me in the sense like my dad was doing it, my mom was doing it, it was effective for them. I started going to center with them, once in a week. Everything started working out from my realization, to be honest. I felt some vibrations, I felt things were getting back on track for me. Now when I started realizing stuff that I wanted to do in my life has already started in a way that it's already lined in my path. Like let's say I wanted to get in a university, it was happening. Mataji was there with me. I would just sit in front of the photo, I would pray to Mataji, Jai Shri Mataji, please enlighten me, please take me under your lotus feet, guide me through this path, and then it would just fall in place. It was like some magical thing happening in my life. So it just kept going until now in my college life. Any problem I faced till now, I just sit in front of my mother, pray to her. She already knows the problem, I don't have to tell her. I just say, Mother, please take me under this guidance, take me through this problem, to be honest. And it's done. So I would just like to say that Sahaj Yoga is the best thing that anyone can practice in this busy and challenging world. And stay blessed, stay safe. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Subhash Maharaj. On the occasion of the Golden Jubilee of Sahaj Yoga, I would like to present this bhajan at Shri Mataji's lotus feet. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Sanita. I have been in Sahaj for over 15 years now. I'm forever grateful to Shri Mataji for giving me my realization. Back when I was in school, I used to do Sahaj mechanically. But even then, I used to feel like there is something about Sahaj, because whenever I used to get pain or something, I used to keep my palm over there and recite the mantras. Even though I used to do Sahaj mechanically, I knew that there was something about it, and now I have come to the full realization that there is truly something about Sahaj, and for that, thank you Shri Mataji, thank you so much for working so hard for us, for all of us. Thank you so much for all your blessings, Shri Mataji. Sometimes we cannot express what we feel through our words, so I'm gonna sing this bhajan. This bhajan truly expresses what I feel towards you, Shri Mataji. माँ निर्मल भोली वाली, मेरा सहारा तुम ही हो माँ।
Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. I am Sudiksha and I have been in Sahaj Yoga in the Bahrain Collective since my childhood. Currently studying in India. I came back to Bahrain the last 2.5 months I've been here, and getting here during all the COVID-19 situation, it's all thanks to Shri Mataji. It wouldn't have been possible without her blessings. So I would like to dedicate this song to Shri Mataji. Shri Ganesha Swayam माँ की द्वार बसी, बोलेपन में स्वयं को ही अर्पित किए। श्री गणेशा स्वयं माँ की द्वार बसी, बोलेपन में स्वयं को ही अर्पित किए। शुद्धता और विवेक की मूरत बने, शुद्धता और विवेक की मूरत बने। इतनी शक्ति होते कैसे अनुमान हो कृपा हम इच्छा शुद्ध हो अगर, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता। ओ पूर्ण समर्पण हो, आत्मदर्शन हो, जब हृदय में बसे मेरी माता, 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 मेरी माता, ओ मेरी माता, मेरी माता, ओ मेरी माता, मेरी माता, ओ मेरी माता।
Jai Shri Mataji. My name is Drishya Kumar. It was around 15 years ago that I was first introduced to Sahaj Yoga. And like any other kid in that particular age, I wasn't really sure why I was there or what I was doing. It wasn't until the years passed by and I realized how blessed I am to actually, be part of Sahaj at such an early age. It was, probably during my undergraduation. I was feeling pretty lost and not sure what I should be doing. And that's when I first decided to talk to my parents. And they told me to surrender myself to Mataji and that she would take care of everything. And just like they did say, she did take care of everything. Whether, it was my admissions or my grandfather's surgery, she always took care of everything. But then again, it's always easy to question one's beliefs. But every single time, she was always there to help me out. Even when I found it very, very tough to actually land a job, she helped me get one when it was very tough. And now, given the current situation, my belief in Mataji and her powers have only increased. Every single time I am, overburdened by work stress, all I have to do is probably just listen to a bhajan or meditate for a couple of minutes. Because the kind of peace that brings out, it is something that cannot be expressed in words. Mataji has always helped me overcome even the most toughest situations. And now today, I try not to overly worry about the future, because I do know that she is looking after me and that she has something bigger and better in store for me. Jai Shri Mataji.
जय श्री माता जी। जय श्री माता जी। बोलो श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी निर्मला देवी की। बोलो श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी निर्मला देवी की। बोलो श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी निर्मला देवी की। जय श्री माता जी।